Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you a specific AWS command that is very handy that I use personally nearly all the time. And before I jump into that command, let me give you a scenario. Let's say you have created an EC2 instance from terminal with AWS EC2 command, but when you go to your AWS management console, you have noticed that the EC2 instance has not been created. You thought, okay, I might be used other regions. So you go to other regions, but you cannot find these two instances anywhere. All right. So you have made a mistakes. And what was the mistakes? The mistake was unintentionally you have created the EC2 instance into wrong AWS account, not the one you are targeting. All right. So it happens to me as well. I believe it happens to you as well. You created an S3 bucket, but when you go to AWS management console, you can see the bucket is not there. It is not there because you created the bucket into wrong AWS accounts. All right. So that is a very common problem. How can I know which AWS account I have used while executing the AWS APIs, or which users or which IAM role has been used while calling an API? All right. So there is a very handy AWS command that I'm going to show you today, and it will start with AWS followed by STS. STS means security token service, and followed by I will type get caller identity. That's it. It's a very simple command. So this command will return the details of the users or IAM role that has been used while calling the APIs. It will also return the AWS account that has been used while calling the API. All right. So let's press enter and let's get the response. See, so I can see this is the AWS account that I have used while calling the API. And then I can see which user or which IAM role has been used while calling the APIs, right? So that's how we can troubleshoot the problem if we see the resource has been created from the terminal, but it's not visible in management console. It's not visible in the management console because unintentionally you might have created the resource into wrong AWS accounts. All right. So I believe this command will be very handy for all of you. So that's all for today. Thank you.